How to add collaboration in Instagram post after posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can add collaborators on our Instagram post after we have posted a post. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to do that, you need to open up your Instagram application. After that, simply log in into your account. And before that, make sure you have updated your app to the latest version for that feature to be available. After that is done, you just need to head over to the main section of your profile. Just tap on the bottom right where your profile appears, and you're just going to click on the post that is already posted. So here you can see this is the post that I've already posted, and I wanna, let's say, add collaborators in this post. So what we're going to do is simply tap on this three dot here, and you can see a bunch of options here, but you're just going to select the option called edit here. After tapping on edit, you'll be finding a bunch of options here. You can just edit your post here. So here you can easily find this add collaborators option at the top at the side of your profile name. You can see very easily, just tap on it. After that, you may just invite collaborators, and after inviting, if that person accepts your collaboration, just tap on right click on it after adding it, and right click on that icon check mark, and your collaborator should be added into your Instagram post after you have posted your Instagram post. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.